Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? And I can sense the smiles seeing the Ma Kali cards. I'm sure some of you are very happy that I have brought in the Ma Kali cards. And I hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, leave comments. I have always said when you leave comments, it makes me happy, it encourages me. And somewhere I know that back there are students of mine who are going through the readings and are enjoying the readings. That is also one reason why I keep telling you all to leave comments and to let me know how it is. So let's go to your favorite cards. I don't know what cards are going to come today. I'm just hoping something good comes. All right. Curricula. She has come many times in my readings. So let's see which is the other card that is coming. Okay, as usual, two cards have come. Chinnamasta. Wow, Matangi. Beautiful. So Kurukula, Chinnamasta and Matangi. Did you all know Kurukula has also been a shamanic folk goddess, those who are in shamanism for them. And she's a lady who will give you a lot of blessings and she'll keep you supported. If you see, the face is red, but this red actually denotes energies, and this red denotes positive and powerful energy. So don't worry when you see her. If she has come in the reading today, I feel that she is going to ask you to open your life to her, not fear for anything, and she is there to help you clear away all the obstacles, all the distractions, and to make you happy in life. That is why she has come. So now let's see what Matangi wants to tell to all of you, her beautiful lovers out there. I know you all love the cards, not Matangi, the Chinnamasta. The second card is basically Chinnamasta card. She tells you that we can outgrow, we can evolve ourselves and become powerful people. Now usually when she comes, it can also mean that trust yourself, trust her. Trusting the divine and trusting her is very important in your lives to move forward and to also see beautiful changes. Today I feel, look at her. I think I will show you her picture. Look at her, the way she has cut her head off, surrendering it to the divine. Tell her, oh Chinnamastama, I trust that you will help me unfold and lead me to all the success and power in this life. I bow to you, O Devi. I surrender my whole life to you. Now coming to the amazing Matangi. She also has something of the same sort. See the beautiful colors today: red, blue, and green. Matangi was a tantric queen, right? So, and Matangi is the ninth Devi of the Dashamahavidyas. Right now, my Dashamahavidya class is almost coming to an end, and we are at Matangi level. So, that's how I'm saying. She is a lady who will, she sees, she gives you secret teachings, she gives you secret messages. She is the one who will help you or guide you when you call on her. She is a person, when it comes in the reading, it means whatever you're dreaming for, it is time that the dreams get fulfilled and you are able to achieve what you want. So overall, I feel the cards are saying, come out of your fear, surrender to the matas, and they are going to help you manifest. As usual, I will give you all a mantra. Chant it 108 times today. We will chant the Matangi mantra today. Today the color will be green, preferably this peacock, the parrot green, sorry, not the peacock green, the parrot green. And the mantra is going to be Om Hreem Aim Shreem Shri Matangeshwari Swaha. Om Hreem Aim Shreem Shri Matangeshwari Swaha. Today also, if possible, pick up some chocolates and give it to some children whom you feel will enjoy them, and Mata will bless you all in return. Have a beautiful, beautiful and a blessed day ahead.